That's a top story at this hour. The TMC and BJP facing off. This really is far from over. This time, the new battleground is northeastern state of Tripura that has spilled over to Delhi as well. Trinamool Congress MPs are staging a dharna outside the Home Ministry in Delhi. The MPs are also seeking an appointment with Amit Shah to discuss what they have called the brutality in Tripura. TMC has also moved Supreme Court over the violence that has been seen in Tripura. TMC Council has told court the situation in the state is worsening by the day. The Supreme Court has agreed to hear the matter tomorrow. Abhishek Banerjee, who was denied entry twice, has now reached the capital city of Agartala. Ahead of his arrival, a suspicious bag was found at the Agartala airport that sparked off security concerns. A scuffle has broken out between TMC and BJP workers in Agartala on Sunday, ahead of the 25th of November local body elections. TMC Youth Congress chief Shaini Ghosh was arrested for allegedly trying to mow down BJP workers at a public meeting on Sunday.
আমরা মাথা মতো করব না এবং শাওনি কি করেছে শাওনিকে গ্রেফতার করতে হবে শাওনি একটা স্লোগান দিয়েছে খেলা হবে তো নরেন্দ্র মোদিও বলেছে বাংলাদেশ তো নরেন্দ্র মোদিকে গ্রেফতার করা হবে না কেন
My colleague Suryagni Roy is getting us more details on that story from Kolkata, also being joined by my colleague Shreya Chatterjee, who is in the national capital. First to you, Shreya, the kind of conflict that we're seeing between the TMC and the BJP in Tripura spilling over to Delhi, with the MPs staging a protest here, trying to get in touch with the Home Minister, raising these issues, raising these concerns.
Well, I'll just give you a sense of what's happening on the ground right now. Extremely dramatic visuals outside the MHA as the TMC protests over what's happening in Tripura. Remember, yesterday, Shaini Ghosh was arrested by the Tripura police over charges of attempt to murder, post which this decision of continuing a dharna was taken. And you can see in two groups, the TMC MPs right now outside the MHA staging a dharna. We'll try and get a quick word from the MPs who are staging a dharna over here. So what provoked you to take this extreme step and come outside the MHA?
Since yesterday evening from 5 o'clock, I tried to get an appointment with the Honorable Minister from Calcutta. And the reception told me, office, he didn't disclose his identity, that the Home Minister was not in town. Immediately when he will come, then we will communicate. Then I caught the flight at 8:20. Before that, I called them. I said that from 8:20 to quarter to 11, I will not be available in mobile. Please inform me after quarter to 11. They didn't inform me. Then I called them. Then they said that at 9 o'clock morning today, they are going to inform us the meeting time with Minister, Honorable Minister. 9 o'clock phone call did not come. Then I called. Then immediately the reception send it to the phone to his PA, who said to me, his name is Ashish Srivastava. So he said to me that within 5 minutes he will be calling me and tell me about the time.
So after repeated time, you
no, then after 5 minutes, after 15 minutes, I called him. Then another guy picked up. He said he is not there. They are calling me after 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, they didn't call. Then again I called. Then said that we are calling you after 10 or 15 minutes. Then thereafter, ultimately they said that no time has yet been given. We do not know when time would be given. When time would be given, it will be communicated to you. That's all.
That is why you decided.
That is the reason we are in the house.
So as you heard the sequence of events from TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee, he said they repeatedly tried to get in touch with the Home Minister's office, after which they decided to come and sit on a dharna, and that is exactly what you see happening right now outside the MHA. TMC MPs sitting on a dharna over the Tripura issue.
Absolutely. Shreya, be with us. We'll just come back to you for more on that, going across to Suryagni, who is joining us from Kolkata. Suryagni, and this is going to get worse from here on, with the battle lines clearly drawn in the state of Tripura, where TMC is now trying extremely hard to make inroads into, and the allegations are, of course, that the BJP, in fact, is ensuring that just like West Bengal, there is violence, there is tension in Tripura as well.
Well, absolutely. At the onset of the 2021 elections, BJP was the one who was alleging that they are the victims over here in West Bengal and they are under attack. And now, right now, almost a year is there for the 2023 Tripura elections. And right now, Trinamool, which is in the opposition over there, it claims that it is under attack. So Abhishek Banerjee, who is in Tripura right now, when he arrived at the airport, he even stated that if there is any issue, it should be between him and the BJP government over there, and normal people shouldn't be harassed. He is on his way to the police station where Shani Ghosh has been kept, in a while from now, Shani will be produced at court, and the Trinamool lawyers and her counsels will be asking for a bail. But Abhishek's plan was to conduct a rally, because last time itself he wanted to do a rally. He didn't get a permission due to COVID protocol, so he did a street corner. Right now, what we do know is that the Tripura administration has permitted Trinamool Congress to do a street corner between 12:30 to 2:30, and that is the time that has been allotted. But what we do understand right now is that they will not be doing a street corner as of such, but at 3-ish he will be doing a press conference from Tripura, and following which he will be back. And what we do get a sense of feel is that this is the litmus test, the civic polls that's going to happen on the 25th, to show whether Trinamool will be restricted to Calcutta, to West Bengal itself, or whether its plan of going pan-India, going completely national, will be successful or not. And that's the main reason why Abhishek Banerjee and the Trinamool Congress, the top guns of TMC, are pitching themselves extremely hard at the Agartala civic polls that are slated on the 25th. Back to you, Sneha.
Suryagni, thanks for getting us up to speed. With that, also thanking Shreya for her inputs on that story that we're tracking.